Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see, we're going to make a very simple steak sandwich. So what we're going to need for this, obviously, is some steak. I'm using a ribeye. You could be using something else if you wanted. Just a little tip, when you're cooking your steak, have it at room temperature. Straight out of the refrigerator to the pan doesn't work so well. Okay, we're going to season that with a little bit of salt and olive oil. And then for a little filling and mixture, we've got garlic, onions, mushrooms, and I'm using some cheddar cheese. You could be using something different if you wanted. And the bread is up to you. As you can see there, I've got a little ciabatta. Very simple. Let's start by seasoning our steak. So some people would season with salt and pepper. I'm just going with salt on either side, touch of olive oil, give that a rub. So easy. Let's get over to a nice flat hot plate. On they go. Now my ones I'm going to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes aside. You can cook your beef or your steak exactly how you want. Rare, super rare, well done, up to you. So once that's cooked, we're going to set that aside, let it just rest a little bit. We're going to get a pan, we're going to get a little oil in it, and we're going to start with frying off some onions, sliced onions, some salt, some garlic, black pepper, and let that go just for about 2 to 3 minutes. So they've softened really nicely. Let's drop in some nice fresh mushrooms, and again another 3 to 4 minutes on this kind of medium-ish heat. So there we go, that's done there. Now I've sliced the beef. As you can see, our steak is sliced into nice kind of bite-sized pieces. In that go, let's just toss that around for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, beautiful. Now, cheddar cheese or the cheese of your choice. Turn the heat off now, throw your cheese in, give it a mix. So simply, now that we've got our mixture done, our nice cheese has melted there beautifully, we're going to get our ciabatta. If you want, you can get your bread and toast it. I've not chosen to do that. What I have done is I've got some mayonnaise on there, on the top and on the bottom, and I'm using some English mustard, nice hot spicy kick to it. Just sliced tomatoes for me, and then simply we're going to place in that beautiful cheesy mushroom mixture, and there you go. Simple as can be. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.